So I'm applying this Rust-Oleum Furniture Transformation Declossive Step 1. So I've been applying it onto the table and then scrubbing it. We're applying a really thin coat, first coat of the bond coat. You need to apply 2 coats of this. So we finished putting on the second coat of the bonding layer. So it's a little lighter color than we wanted, but it's not too bad. So I'm doing the decorative glazed. So you can definitely see a lot of the wooden colors showing more of the grains. So definitely recommend doing this step. Here's the difference between these two. So after the 2 coats of bonding paint, now we're glazing it. It's glazed. It's so we're in step 4. This side is already top coated and this side is waiting to be top coated. So you want to get rid of all the white stuff and then spread it all along here.
Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the results and definitely recommend this product.